Hey guys, welcome back to HelpClick. In this video, I'll be showing you how to sign in Among Us. But first, check our special offer in the description. So let's get started. Now, if you want to sign in into your Among Us account, so just in case you've transferred to a different device, well, this one is fairly easy. So how do you exactly do it? So currently, I'm inside the game in here, as you can see right now. Let's go and click on I understand. And let's go and just visit the in this case the default screen. So you need to wait for a while. So there are going to be some pop-ups in here like Google Play opening up in here. So typically when you first visit the game, you should be able to see whichever Google account that you have or you want to play with your Among Us account. So you can go and click on continue here and you will be able to sign in. Now, as long as you are accessing Among Us the first time in here, so you should be able to log in into your account. So again, you may want to scroll down a bit here, click on continue, and once you've done that, you should be able to sign in. As you can see here now, taking a bit here, it's going to ask for your age. Let's go and just choose our birthday here as an example. And once you've done that, you should be able to start playing the game. Now, once you've done that, you should be able to start playing the game here as you would, as you can see right now, different announcements. But yeah, so also just in case, you can go and just choose your name if you want to hide it at the top left here, request if you want to start playing the game. But that's about it. So if you found this video helpful, hit the like and subscribe button and watch our next video.